So generally what happens, mom comes to the hospital, she comes because she's having bleeding. They'll do an ultrasound very quickly. They'll also start to monitor the baby. If the placenta is close to down here, it's a more difficult delivery. If the placenta totally blocks off here, must have C-section, right? So we are talking about placenta previa. It means that the placenta is not correctly placed or implanted in the uterus. Really easy. You're going to tell yourself the placenta implants in the wrong area. It needed to implant high. This is normal. This is bad, either partial or complete. So how will we know this is happening to mom? Mom is going to have severe bleeding possibly, right? And that bleeding usually is painless, right? So mom may feel, some moms have spotting, some have real heavy bleeding. But we're talking about placenta previa. So you want to remember this by telling yourself, painless vaginal bleeding. Right? This one is not painful. Mom is bleeding. Previa is not painful. She might even be bleeding to the floor, but usually it is not a painful problem that is happening. Monitor both the fetus and the mother, because having placenta previa, she could also start to have contractions, for example. Now, after this mom delivers, we are still monitoring very carefully for hemorrhage, right? Monitoring for hemorrhage. If the bleeding is very severe, mom may need a hysterectomy. They may need to take the uterus out if they can't stop the bleeding. So it is not painful, but it is very serious, right? Still medical emergency. So we're done with placenta previa. Everybody good? Placenta previa? Placenta is not implanted correctly.